A simple trick where you can buy here and here by copying what institutions do and giving you the best opportunity to buy major dips. It's a simple trick before these big time recoveries. Welcome. With markets down over the last couple of months, for example, we can see the S&P is off its highs from early 2022. And actually, if you take a look at other markets, for example, take a look at the emerging markets by way of the EEM, we can see they made their highs in early 2021, right now trading at 52-week lows. So, in this short video, I want to show you a simple trick where you can buy here and here by copying what institutions do and giving you the best opportunity to buy major dips. It's a simple trick before these big time recoveries. So I'll make it quick. So we're going to be taking a look at the MACD and the RSI, and there are going to be links in the description of this video where I'm going to be discussing this method in detail. Free videos, YouTube videos in the description. I've talked about this for years, but you can use RSI 50 whenever you see uniform activity bounce, as we see here in late 2018. This was a perfect institutional entry, and they were using RSI 50 uniform activity. There's your simple trick. And the same thing happened in early 2020, bouncing on RSI 50 on the monthly with uniform activity. Oh yes, it's a monthly chart, should have mentioned that. And to keep this video rolling, the other trick that they also use for confirmation is they use the MACD zero line. And the MACD zero line, as you can see also in these two examples, this is the MACD now. Uniform activity bounce on the MACD zero line for this area here. Uniform activity bounce right there on the MACD. It went below zero, back above it with uniform action. This is a simple trick, institutional entry level before this mega move in the stock. Links are going to be in the description of the video for more information. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I leave you, beloveds, in the love light of the one infinite creator. Go forth rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator, Adonai.